Beauty takes sacrifice, cash, and some serious surgery. In South Korea, it's not just about looks, it's the whole industry pushing it. To get famous and stay on top, idols drop tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some really do come out looking better, but some get addicted like it's a drug and keep going until they end up looking straight up alien. There's no line a surgeon won't cross if you're paying. You want it? You got it, as long as your wallet's ready. For example, Hyunjin reportedly had a chin implant, which he later had removed, a change immediately noticed by fans. The implant made his chin appear more prominent. After its removal, his features became softer and more natural. Some even speculate that he might have had a facelift after the implant removal, as his skin didn't sag and his facial lines remained sharp. Around the same time, the artist also got a haircut, making him look more expressive and bold. Fans also noticed changes in Hyunjin's nose shape, which they attribute to rhinoplasty. Some fans believe his nose looks worse after the procedure. However, in Hyunjin's case, fans often note that any surgical interventions were performed subtly, preserving his individual features. Previously, Taeyeon had a very cute and natural face. Over time, it became apparent that she had undergone several plastic surgeries. Many fans believe that changes became particularly noticeable after 2011-2012. Some point out that she often adjusted her nose and had facelifts. On social media, people write that her face becomes less natural with each passing year. This is especially striking in her latest Instagram photos, where she looks completely different, with lighter skin, a small smile, and an unnatural facial expression. Of course, plastic surgery is a personal choice, and it's common in K-pop. But many fans still remember her early image, when she looked natural and very Korean. Park Seo-jin admitted on the show Radio Star that he spent 100 million won on plastic surgery. That's nearly $75,000. In the before-after photos, he's almost unrecognizable. He revealed that he had rhinoplasty, 3 eye surgeries, each time adjusting by just a millimeter, plus dental work, injections, and a hair transplant. You'd think the changes would be minimal, but his face transformed beyond recognition. Even the hosts couldn't hide their shock. He explained that he wanted to maintain a natural look, which is why he chose many small procedures instead of one drastic one. That sounded reasonable, but when you look at his new face, it feels like natural has long been left behind. Some fans appreciated his honesty and supported him, saying at least he's not hiding it like some other idols. But others felt his original appearance was much better. Some commented he was handsome before all these procedures, while others said, I get him, but he went too far. Park Bom has posted new photos where her face looks noticeably strange. Her eyes seem to droop downward, her lips appear heavily enlarged, and the way she did her makeup created an unnatural-looking smile. It's hard to tell whether she recently had more surgery or just went overboard with filters. Fans in the comments were also confused about what happened. Some asked her to stop editing her face so much, saying she actually looks better without filters. Others simply asked, what did she do to her face? Park Bom's appearance has been a topic of discussion for nearly 10 years. She has always denied having plastic surgery. According to her, the changes in her face are due to a medical condition called lymphadenitis, which causes swelling. She also has ADHD, which makes it difficult for her to maintain a stable weight. However, doctors have pointed out that even with lymphedema, such drastic and consistent facial changes are uncommon. This has led both fans and experts to suspect that plastic surgery and injections might be involved on top of the swelling. Still, nothing has been officially confirmed. Park Bom continues to deny having any cosmetic procedures, attributing her appearance solely to health issues and weight fluctuations. In 2020, her agency also stated that she hadn't undergone any surgery. They explained her altered appearance as a result of stress-related weight gain. Later, she even took part in a weight loss program and managed to lose 11 kilograms. Every time aespa releases a new comeback, fans react to Giselle's appearance. Many notice that her look changes. Her lips appear fuller. The shape of her nose and jawline look different from earlier photos. Some believe the changes come from makeup style and weight loss. Others suggest fillers or surgery. It is possible that all this is due to industry pressure or the artist's desire to find her own aesthetic style. Some are sure that Giselle's changes are simply a part of growing up. At the same time, frequent adjustments might be a response to public expectations and a desire to keep up with changing trends in the South Korean entertainment industry. Wonyoung often looks different depending on where you see her. On camera, she appears striking, almost doll-like. In real life, strange details appear that are hard to explain. Maybe it's the makeup or how cameras work, but some are sure it's because of too much interaction with surgeons. People talk about jaw correction and changes to the shape of her mouth. Fillers. Her slimness is even more complicated. On stage, her thin figure looks impressive. But in real life, her slimness seems unhealthy. It's quite possible that the changes are just due to growing up, cosmetics, and standard K-pop procedures. But people keep insisting that there were too many interventions, and this could have bad effects in the future. But for true fans, she was always beautiful. It's just that industry standards push her to go further.